Today I will be showing you how to upload to OneDrive and share a file or folder. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account, because OneDrive only works when you're logged in properly. If you take a look on the left side, you will see the icon Create or Upload. If I click on it, below you will see the option of File, Upload, or Folder. To choose any of these, just like I'll click on File and choose that file which you want to upload to the OneDrive. Take your time to locate the file on your device. It could be a document, a photo, or even a video. Once you select it, OneDrive will begin uploading the file to the cloud automatically. But my file is already uploaded, so let me get access of this file, and below you will see the file with the name. If you ever want to check the status of your uploads, look at the bottom of the screen. OneDrive will usually show a small loading bar or a check mark to confirm it's complete in order to share it. Click on this, and take a look on the top. You will see the icon Share. Click on it. In this pop-up, you will see Add a name, group, or email. After entering any of these, you can also type a short message before sending, which will help the receiver understand what the file is about. This can be useful if you're sharing work documents or important files. If you click on the option Send, then this file will be sent to this person. But before sending it, make sure the selected option is Can Edit, because if this option is not selected, then he can't do any change. But if this option is selected, then he can do whatever he wants, enter the name or email address of the next person. This setting is really important, especially if you're working on a project together. Giving editing access means they can update the file in real time and you'll both see the changes instantly. Then hit Send. But if you don't want to send and you want to share it with the help of a link, then first make sure this option is selected. Anyone with the link can edit, and then hit Copy Link. Because if this option is not selected, then he will not do anything. So make sure this option is selected, hit Copy Link, and share this link through WhatsApp, through Message, or anywhere you want. This method is perfect when you're sharing something with a group or posting it somewhere. No need to add each person individually. And that's it. Now you know how easy it is to upload and share files using OneDrive. It saves time and keeps everything in one place.